How to get Friendmojis on Snapchat on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually get Friendmojis on Snapchat on your Android. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now, before we get started with how to get Friendmojis, you want to understand what a Friendmoji is. A Friendmoji is a special type of Bitmoji that features both you and a friend in one sticker. So this is actually a little different compared to Cameo selfie, which actually uses your real selfies. So Cameo selfies are a bit different versus Bitmojis, and Friendmojis are a little bit different to each other. Bitmoji is simply a cartoon version of yourself, while Friendmojis are basically two of your Bitmojis, you and your friends, in one single sticker. So in this video, we will simply learn how we can get Friendmojis on Snapchat on Android. First thing first, you simply want to make sure you have actually downloaded as well as updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. If you haven't updated, you can head over to your app store. In the search box, type in Snapchat and go ahead and simply either download or update the Snapchat app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated Snapchat, I'm going to open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, in order to get the Friendmoji, first of all, you will simply need to have already created your Bitmoji character. In my case, if I tap on the top left hand side of the screen, you can see that I have already created my Bitmoji character. If you also do want to create a Bitmoji character, what you could basically do is on the top right hand side, first of all, tap on this gear icon, which is the settings icon. As you tap on the settings icon, here at the bottom right above the Cameos option, you'll find the option which says Bitmoji. So tap on Bitmoji and you can go ahead and simply first of all create your Bitmoji profile in order to get the Friendmojis on Snapchat. You can go ahead and customize any of the settings if you want. Once you've created your Bitmoji from this option, I'm going to simply come back, and the next thing I'm going to do is from the bottom left, I'm going to tap on this chat icon. Now let me just go ahead and simply open any of the chat to whom I might actually want to send a Friendmoji to. In order to send a Friendmoji to this chat, what I would have to do is at the bottom right, you'll be able to see this little emoji icon. You have to simply tap on this emoji icon right over here. As you tap on this emoji icon, you'll be able to see a bunch of your Bitmoji stickers, but this is simply your own Bitmoji and not a Friendmoji. If you want to see your friend's Bitmoji as well as your own Bitmoji in one single sticker, what you have to do is from the bottom left, you have to simply tap on a Bitmoji profile, which you can see right over here. As you tap on it here, as you can see right over here, there are a bunch of different Friendmojis which you can actually use to send them. For example, this one right over here, and this one as well, and this one as well, which includes both of the friends and you. You also have this one, and you have multiple options. Whichever sticker which includes both you and your friend in one Bitmoji sticker is called Friendmoji. If you want to send them, you could go ahead and simply tap on it, send that particular Friendmoji to that person as well. And this is how you can actually get the Friendmojis on Snapchat on Android. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.